Hey, we got a Geek Fuel in the mail. Geek Fuel is the one I get excited for because it only comes once every quarter, which is every 3 fucking months. And usually, it's got some pretty cool shit. So, let's crack her open. Ooh. First, we got a Geek Fuel folder. Tells us all what's in there. Yep. Hey, quick preview. Nope. We got a little action figure. It looks like Peter Dinklage. It is Peter Dinklage. Titan vinyl figures. Looks like we got a little Tyrion, folks. Tyrion Lannister, baby. He came with a little drink. Because that's what he does. He drinks and he knows things. Hold the fucking glass, please. Boom. Tyrion Lannister. Ooh. It's Game Boy related. What's Game Boy? It's like a little handheld game system that we had in the 90s. Remove isolation tab from base and push down. Oh! Oh! So it's like a night light? Yeah, a mini light. Mini light, what's up? I love this thing. We got socks! Some Captain Marvel Cosmic Vibe socks. Dope. Uh-oh. Looks like we got a pin. It's a Thor pin. How about the downloadable Steam game, Pankapoo. I'm never gonna use it. Got a Marvel Canvas collection. I love these. This one is Iron Man, baby. Yes. How cool is that? Fuck yeah. I'm definitely gonna hang this shit up. We got a t-shirt, and I think I'm gonna love it. Huh. Yeah! Motherfucking Thor. Yes. 3/4 sleeve, too. I'm so into it. I love me some Thor. This is the first 3/4 sleeve I ever got. That's awesome. It's really nice material, too. Alright. That's Geek Fuel. I really like this box. Keep it coming, Geek Fuel. Even though it's only every 3 months, I'm really into the Geek Fuel shit. I like it. Subscribe! Oh, yeah. The inside of the box is Game of Thrones. So, who gives a shit?